Hello, this is John of Art and welcome to my art class. We are doing still life painting today with these bunch of flowers as inspiration. So let's ask our students what they feel about their painting. CJ, ano? Sakit yung budlay. Nga aman.
Weakness, yun yung stillness.
Sige, weakness at tudluan. Budlay. Pero subong kay may ara na sana. Nalipay ka na?
Okay na ko.
Okay ka na. Okay na, no? Okay na siya.
Color light.
Very good, very good. Anong ma-feel mo sa iyong mga painting?
Di ba?
Happy.
Happy and contented.
Na.
Wala lang.
Wala lang.
Naya ako.
Naya siya ko na na-shy. Pero natawa ba lang iyang painting? Look at his painting. Sure ka photogenic sang imong painting. So anong ma-feel mo sa imong painting?
Okay lang.
Okay, gid siya. Okay, gid si Jessel. So forgiving ni nga medium mga acrylic kay magsala kaya sampaw ka lang, balikan mo naman, bawi-bawi gid. Anong mabatyagan mo ya, Frederick? Okay, gid siya. Anong mabatyagan mo sa imong mga painting?
Na-enjoy.
Kasadyahan ka enjoy ka sa imong mga painting. So, proud ka man sa imong mga painting? Mapang display na?
LODI.
Na LODI. PETMALU. So, Christine, anong masiling mo sa iyong mga painting? Happy na. Na-importante, happy. Hindi ka mo mag-compare sa iba. Padayon lang. Joy to the world.
Happy man.
Happy. Nice. So, kanami na kayo daw happy na. Okay, John Mark? What is it? Di paano tayo makabat? Sign language. Nauya siya? Na-shy siya? Okay, this is a challenge. So, sige, we will try to talk to him. Go on. Okay, good. Sige, good. John Mark can't hear us nor is able to speak to us, but look at his work. And I have no idea that while doing our lecture, he couldn't hear me. So I'm sorry that I wasn't appraised of that. I'm amazed that he's able to follow instructions in spite of. So and look at that. So he was just following what we're doing, and now look at his work, and this is our inspiration. At first, it was hard for him, but as he paints along, it's becoming easier. So look at that. Look at his work. Tahom na. Very beautiful. Congratulations. So we're with the Lifebank Youth Foundation and in our art class doing still life. So in simpler terms, in the vernacular, I explained to them that still life is something that is live right in front of them, something that they can see with their eyes. So makita gid nila sa ila tubangan, and it's still not moving. So wala gagihom. So this is the inspiration for our still life work here. Others chose to paint the stargazer. So it's a choice between the stargazer and sunflowers or both. So are done with your artworks, you can sign your work. So this is Joan of Art in our Lifebank Youth Art class, and the students expressing what they feel in their paintings. Until next time, see you again in our next video. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll come up with more videos for you to enjoy. Thank you, and bye-bye for now. I finally discovered in this classroom two of my paintings, this one and the other one, that have been missing for years, and I thought I'd never see them, and I was surprised to find them on this wall. Alright, it's just so nice to be reunited with my paintings there.